Okay, sure. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We're going back, like I said, we're going back to the book and practice a little bit of the longer words that we didn't finish. So it's way down here. I think it's probably page 20 or something like that. See if I can find it. There we go. So these are kind of longer words. They're not that difficult, but I think it's a good idea that we go back and practice them a little bit. Okay, and this should be pretty easy. You guys, I think, progress so much. So I'm hoping to just hopefully you see you breeze through this, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, okay. So let's go ahead and start with Matt. Let's do the. Hang on, let me check the page before. Okay, that's where we stop actually. We kind of stop around here. And sukun, that's right. We stop on here, and this is all practice on sukun. So this continues. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll start at the beginning of page 20. And this is more or less a practice on the sukun. The sukun, of course, is this symbol here. So there'll be some, tricky conjugations or letters that you need to be careful about. But most of the time, I think you'll find that this is pretty easy, inshallah. Okay, so let's start with actually let's go backwards. Let's start with Zarif first. Zarif, I'll give you the tough one.
Okay.
I'll go backwards. So this is, can you see or should I make it this bigger, everybody?
I can see. I just zoomed in. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's start with the first one.
Okay. Is the alif, is it a what is that on top?
That's a good question. Okay, whenever you see a tadpole-like symbol like this, okay, that means you ignore the alif. So that usually, remember what I said, that when you have an alif after a letter, it makes the sound long, right? Okay, you don't do that here. Whenever you see the symbol like this, let me make this a little bigger here, because I think okay, that's so better. One more zoom, maybe. Just one more. 200 maybe. I'll make it a little bigger for everybody. Okay. And this way bigger. All right, that should be a lot easier for you to see. Okay, so we're looking at, so when you see that little tadpole symbol, like I said, yeah, on top of the alif, you basically ignore it. You go straight to the letter after. So in this case, what is the letter after?
Is it nun?
Yes, it's a nun. Very good. All right, so go ahead.
Wanu kharu.
So this is a test on sukun, right?
Oh, okay.
Where's
so
the
that's
sukun?
sukun. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so it's a bit wak ka.
There's no qaf there.
Oh, okay.
What letter is it?
Wak ha.
The ha is right. What's the letter before ha? This letter here. You mentioned it just now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's one haru. One har.
That's it. Okay. This is an exercise on sukun, meaning that it's one, right? One, because the noon sound doesn't have a harakah on top of it, so it becomes one. And then har, because the sukun is on top of the ra, right? So it's one har, very short. One har. Okay. All right. Let's go to Arif. Next letter, Arif.
Okay.
So the sukun is on top of the second letter, right?
Karo.
Yeah, is correct. When you say that's correct. Okay. So after the third letter is and then what? What's the third letter?
Raw.
You said it, raw, yep.
Akraja.
Yeah, that's right. Akhraja, right? Akhraja. So is the first one because the sukun, the and then ra, and then ja. Akhraja means that he went out. Akhraja. All right. Next is Matt. Go ahead, Matt. That word here. You're muted, Matt.
Adsala.
Nearly. The second letter is not a dal.
It's not a dal.
No, it's not a dal.
Is it a dal? Or
It's
is it
not a dal either.
ra?
It's the same as, there we go. Same as the one that Arif said earlier. So this a raw. So yeah.
So arsala.
You got it. Arsala. Okay. Arsala means he was sent. Okay. Arsala. Very good. Okay. Back to is that it?
Agtasha.
Try to pronounce the ta stronger.
Agtasha.
That's right. Aghtasha. Okay. Aghtasha. That means he gave somebody a drink. Okay. Aghtasha. Very good. All right. The next one is Arif. Okay, Arif. Next one. Yeah, this one. The rest of you, obviously, you can practice as well, right? With try to figure it out and see what you write.
Afa.
Yeah. Af is correct. What's after af?
Lam.
How do you say it?
Afla.
Yeah. Last letter?
Ja. Aflaja.
That's not a jim. This is a jim. So this is a
Aflaha.
That's right. Okay, say it together.
Aflaha.
Very good. Aflaha. Aflaha. Okay. Aflaha means he was successful. Okay. Or they are successful. Aflaha. All right. Now go back to Matt. You had Matt. This one here.
Is that a kaf?
Yep.
So akrama.
Perfect. Akrama. Okay. Akrama means he honored that person or he honored that person. Akrama. Okay. Like Kareem. All right. Go back to Zarif.
Alhama.
Yeah, you guys are breezing through this. Perfect. Alhama. Alhama means to inspire. Alhama. All right. Next one. Arif.
Ahnasha. Sha.
What's the second letter that has a sukoon? What letter is that?
Noon.
Yeah. So how do you say it with the sukoon on top of noon?
Na.
Yep. But with the sukoon, it's not na. So how do you say it?
An.
Yes, that's right. An. Next one.
Sha.
Uh-huh.
Ra.
That's right. Say it together.
Anshara.
Perfect. Anshara. Anshara means to go off. Anshara, inshar, to walk. Okay. All right. Go ahead. This one is back to Matt. This is a tough one for you, Matt. Got some tough letters here.
Azza.
So this is the same as what Arif mentioned just now. This is what letter is this?
Noon.
So he said Anshara for this one. So this one will be
Noon.
Yep.
Then an.
That's right.
Is that a? I don't know what that is. Is that a tom or what?
There's a cough. Yep.
Oh, cough.
Yep.
So an. Kasa.
Anqa. What's the last one?
Is that a dot or a?
Yep. Dot. Yep. You got it.
Oh. Ankada.
Yep. That's right. Anqada. Right. Anqada. Very good. I don't remember what Anqadha means. I got to remember. I forget what it means. Go ahead. Let's go back to Zarif.
Damdama.
Yeah, damdama, damdama. Even the sound. See, this is the thing about Arabic, brothers. Arabic is a very, very oral language, right? The sound actually sounds like the meaning. The sound itself sounds like the meaning. Like for example, aflaha. You feel good when you say aflaha, because what? That means you're successful. Aflaha. And when you say damdama, it's like damdama. What does that mean? You're knocking somebody down. Damdama. So Arabic is a very oral language. Even the sound actually, relates to what it means. Kind of interesting. Okay, damdama. All right, let's go back to where are we? Arif, is it? All right.
Ein, Sein, Sa.
Ain is the letter, but that's not how you make the sound. How do you make the sound?
Sa.
That's right. And the sin becomes sin sukun becomes.
As.
That's right. As. Yep.
As, asa.
Very good. As asa. Okay. As asa. Very good. All right. Let's go back to Matt.
Is it boon or no?
Yeah. Second letter is second letter is the same letter as the ain here, right? This is an ain as well, just like how Arif said as asa. So
is the alif is silent?
no,
Or
it's
is it
not.
like
The silent one is this one here. Alif here. So this one actually has a vowel. It has a sound. So, but
So is it-
the ain now has a sukun, so that changes it. So how do you make it?
does that mean you don't pronounce the
Yeah,
you just pronounce
there's
the
no
letter
vowel.
sound?
Yeah, you still have the what do you call it? So the idea of the sukun, sukun is that what do you call it? That symbol there, right? The idea of the sukun is that it's usually continues from a previous letter, right? And then you don't pronounce for like this one, for example, the letter here is kha, right? So you don't say kha, but you use the sound, yeah? And then this one becomes ah. So same here. You don't say ra, but you use the r sound. So it becomes ar. So that's the whole idea of sukun, right? Ar. Same here. This one is ghain. If you had a vowel on top, it would be ra, but you don't do that. It becomes ar. So you use the sound itself, right? Okay, so this one, what is the sound?
Like ah.
That's right. So how do you say it with the hamza alif before it? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so and then ain. So this is the tough one. Right? And then the next two letters, yeah.
Ra.
There is a dhamma. So this is the u sound, right?
Buru.
This is the ra. It's what is this?
Dal.
Dal, yeah. Okay, now how do you say the two letters? The ba with an u sound and dal.
Voodoo.
That's right, voodoo. Right? Voodoo. All right, now say it all together.
Voodoo.
Yeah, voodoo, right? Voodoo. So this is from the Fatiha. You guys remember? Iyyaka na'budu. Yeah, that's how it is. So iyyaka na'budu means I worship. Budu means I worship. Okay, Budiyah. So Budu. So that's where it comes from. All right, now this is a small change. Just now it was yeah, you just changed it to
just like the other one, nak budu.
Nak budu, exactly, right? It's a small change. So just change the alif to a nun and it becomes nak budu. Guess what? Budu means I worship. Nak budu means we worship. So the alif and the noon changes who the one speaking, right? The person, in other words, changes the person who's speaking. Budu, I worship. Na budu, we worship. Okay. So that's why Arabic, every single letter matters. Every single change in a vowel matters. We can't play around with those things. This is the reason why we're learning the Quran, because just by knowing those small changes, it changes the meaning. Right? It changes the meaning of what we're reading. So that's why we're learning. All right, let's go to Arif. This one here.
Yakhruju.
Very good, Arif. You got it first time. All right, say it together. Smoother. Smoother here.
Yakhruju.
Yep. Yakhruju. Right? Yakhruju. So yakhruju means he went out. Okay. Yakhruju. All right, let's go back to Matt. Go ahead, Matt. This one.
Sabu. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Is that a ya?
Uh-huh.
Ya,
Yeah.
not a gene. That's the
Yeah, it's not a jim.
ah.
That's a ha, correct? Yeah, but how do you say it with the ya before?
Yeah.
Remember
Ya.
how the sound. Yeah, exactly. Ha.
Yeah.
So ya, right?
Ya. I know. Yasabu or
Ya is
Yas.
correct. Yeah, you got it. Ya sabu. Yeah.
Yasabu.
Yahsabu. Yep.
Yes.
Yahsabu. So yahsabu means he calculated. Okay. Yahsabu. Calculated. All right. Let's go back to so notice that the way the book's trying to teach you is that the structure is more or less the same. Yahsabu, and the next one sounds the same, but with a sheen. So Zarif, how do you say that?
Yakhrabu.
Yeah, yashrabu. Right? Yashrabu means he drank. Okay? Or he's drinking rather. Actually, yahsabu means he is calculating. Yashrabu means he's drinking. Okay, and then Arif, go ahead. This one.
Yashulu.
Try it again. What's that? This?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, is correct. And then
Yashhadu.
Yashadu.
yashhadu. Okay, meaning that he is witnessing. Yashhadu. All right, go back to Ahmed.
Ta, and then is that a ra?
Tar is right. Ra, there's a ra. Ra sukun. How do you say it?
Tar, like tar.
Very good. Tar. Yep.
Is that a meme or that's?
Yeah, it's not a meme. This is the same as this one. So this one says yashhadu. So this one becomes
Shopper. I don't remember.
yeah, that's a ha, right?
That's
That's
a
a
ha.
ha. So this becomes
Yara.
yeah. Say the first two again. How do you say the ta and the ra here?
Oh, tar.
Tar, very good. And then
Tarha.
Good. Next one.
Tarha. Ku.
Yes, you got it. All right, say it together.
Tarhakun.
Yep. Tarhaqu. Okay. Tarhaqu. Very good. All right, let's go back to Zarif. Go ahead. This one here.
Ta'arifu.
Yes, ta'rifu. Okay. You know. Ta'rifu means you know. Okay. Next one here. Arif, yeah. Go ahead, Arif.
Aksimu.
Yeah, very good. So I actually missed the vowel. It's not ak. What is it? This one.
Uksimu.
Very good. Uksimu. Uksimu means I swear. Okay. Uksimu means I swear. All right. Let's go on to this is a little tough one for Matt, but yeah, go ahead and try it, Matt.
Yub.
Yeah.
I've never seen that letter with no dots. Or anything.
You got correct. You've seen this one before.
Oh,
This is-
Yub. Yubra.
Oh, this is a dal.
Oh, the doll. Oh,
Yeah, you remember we did the dal and the ro. I know it's just too
Yeah.
very close. Yub D.
Yubdi.
Okay, what is this one here?
Looks like Hamza.
Yeah, or
Actually, it's not a ya. Remember, this is the ya this is the alif maqsura. Remember the alif maqsura? It's alif pretending to be a ya. Okay, so it looks like a ya. It's not. And you know it's not ya because it's got the alif on top of it. So, or hamza rather, a hamza on top of it. So it becomes, how do you say it? And remember, this is not ya. This is with a u. So it becomes
you
yub. Yep.
Yubri.
Which one? What letter is this again?
Yubdi.
Yeah, yubdi. Then this one.
Yubdi. I guess I don't remember what that sound
Okay,
makes.
so this
The
one,
hamza.
whenever you see a hamza, right? This is the hamza, right? Whenever you see hamza on top of a ya, okay, it sounds like the alif. Basically, it's just a hamza, basically, a hamza or alif. So it becomes the u sound, just u.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yubdiu.
Yep, yubdiu, that's what it is. Yeah, yubdiu. Very good. All right, let's carry on. Zarif, go ahead. This one here.
Yufaku.
Ooh, you missed one. Which
Um,
one?
Oh,
Second
sorry.
letter.
Yunfaku.
Very good. Yunfaku. Okay. Yunfaku. All right. Very nice. Okay, Arif, go ahead. Next one here.
Yabkalibu.
You missed just close. You missed the second letter. That's not a ba. What is that?
Noon.
Yeah. So how does it sound?
Yankalibu.
Nice. Yanqalibu. Okay. Yanqalibu means he's turning. Yanqalibu. All right. Next one is back to Matt. Okay, Matt.
You. Is that a fa or I don't know?
A fa has a dot on top. This one doesn't. And
wow. Or
yeah,
wow?
exactly. It's a wow. Okay, go ahead.
So you wa
Go straight to the sin sukun. How does it sound?
da or just the S sound?
Yeah, but just the S sound. Yeah. So how do you say it with the wa before it?
You was.
Yes.
You was ye.
Is it what did you say? Is it a yeah or wow? It's a wow, right? So you was
we.
you was
you was
sweet. Yeah, you was sweet. Last one.
What we Sue.
Yeah, that's right. You was swisu. Yeah, you was swisu. You swisu means to whisper. Okay, he's whispering. You was swisu. All right. Let's go back to Zarif. Go ahead, Zarif.
Okay, so taklatu.
So the what do you call it? The sukun is only at the end.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
It'll change. Yeah. So how do you...
Taklat.
The qaf does not have a sukun. It's got a vowel.
Oh, okay. Takulat.
Yes, takulat. Right? Takulat. Very good. So it's changing things around to kind of confuse you guys. To make sure. Takulat is what it
Sukun
says.
was small before. Then,
Yeah, the sukun is right here, right?
Yeah.
The one at the end there. Takulat. Very good. Okay. So this is similar. The sukun is at the end too. Yeah. So Arif, don't forget the sukun is at the end. Yeah. So
Husirat.
close. This is not a scene. What is this? How do you say this?
Sheen.
Yeah. So how do you say it again?
Hushirat.
Very good. Hushirat. Okay. Hushirat. Nice. Okay. Let's go to Matt.
Do I don't know.
So
what's that letter?
So this letter is this is one of those letters that kind of, because it doesn't appear so often, you forget. So this is a ta. A ta. So with the kasra it becomes ti, right?
Suti. Suti.
Sukun is at the end.
Tu.
So remember that you don't say the vowel. How do you say the ta? Yeah. So with the ha.
hot,
Yep, all right. Okay, say it together.
usi hot,
Oop, you missed the scene. It's a scene beginning.
let's see, soon,
Su, yep.
su,
This is kasrah.
ti,
Yep,
suti, hot,
yep, that's it. Sutihat. Okay, sutihat. Tough one for you. Sutihat. All right. Back to Zarif. Yeah, Zarif.
Kushi, Kushitat.
Yeah, say probably the sukun at the end. Go ahead.
Kushitat.
Yep, kushitat. Say it. The sukun has a sound. Kushitat.
Kushitat.
Right? Yeah, very good. All right, Arif. Second last one here. Second last.
Nushirat.
Yeah, perfect. MashaAllah, you got it very smooth. Nushirat, very nice. All right, back to you guys are getting this now. Back to Matt.
is that the ta again?
So this is not a ta. This is the ta has a kind of a spike here. So this one is a sod. Remember? Yeah,
yeah.
sod. Yep, yeah.
So it's zoo,
What is this one?
Noon.
This is not a style. This is a
noon.
yes.
So new. Shoot, what's that second one again?
Sod.
New C. New C. What's underneath? Ba or like
Yeah.
new
Then?
C ba two.
This doesn't have a sound. Remember, it doesn't have a vowel.
New
How
C
to say-
ba.
Yes,
Nusibat.
nusibat.
Yeah.
Nusibat. So you just have the sound nusibat. Okay, it's a sukun. All right, let's we got maybe a minute before we end. We have another meeting after this. Maybe one more. So let's go to Zarif. Or one or two more. You can finish it.
Okay, so it's is it Atharna.
Yeah, very nice. Atharna. Okay, athar. MashaAllah. Very good, brothers. Alhamdulillah. Very good, very good. So see if you can maybe practice a little bit this page here. The page before. We did it already, but this one has a sukun with the what do you call it? A tanween. So if you can practice this previous page, what we'll do is next time, inshallah, next week, we'll go quicker to see if you can kind of pronounce it quicker. So both pages are the sukun practice, inshallah ta'ala. Okay. Jazakumullah khairan. Thank you so much, brothers, for practice. Keep practicing. Inshallah, you're making a lot of progress. Very good. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Arif, call your dad. She's got a meeting with us, inshallah.
Yeah,
Assalamualaikum.
I'm doing fine now, brothers. How are you?
Good, good. It looks like everybody's here. We got Munir here, alhamdulillah. Let's see, who's the administrator's iPhone? Is that somebody else or who is that?
That's Abdul Qayyum. I can't figure out to change the name. So
Who is this?
Abdul Qayyum.
Oh, okay. All right. So, Jazakallah khair, brothers. Alhamdulillah. Thank you for attending. Again, thank you for volunteering to volunteer, inshallah, for the khutbah. Just to remind everybody, let me just turn off the share screen here. I need to also stop the recording actually.